What up guys, we're back at it again with another vlog. Today we are headed to the Toyo tire event out in Costa Mesa, and yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog that for you guys, see what kind of cool cars you can see and whatnot. And yeah, also the chickens are gone. The chickens are finally gone. Well, actually I shouldn't say that because I'm not sure I'm gonna upload this video or the last video first, so we're gonna see. Stay tuned. Bow. So we made it to the tire event. Got some nice cars out here. Got a nice M3. Got a nice 6000. Right? 2286. 2016 with a glass plate. So beautiful. You rarely see these. You rarely see these. Yeah. Yeah. So clean inside too. It's like you have to see the interior. It is immaculate. Yeah. Leather seats. Leather dash. Beautiful. Way we go, guys. Yep, I met some awesome people right now. A guy with an S13, SR20, freaking nice. Got a lot to see. We got a lot to see. But look at this freaking Supra. I was gonna say Supra. Yeah, I'm gonna put that out. Look at this Supra. So beautiful. And we got Skinny's Ross, got Magoo over here. I see this guy everywhere. This guy's everywhere. He was in Monterey, back in Cali. This guy too. I don't know if I posted. Oh yeah, I didn't record, but this guy was at the last parking section we went to. Freaking beautiful car. Ooh. I think I know this guy. I think I saw this guy at a car show once. Yeah, I saw this guy. Yeah, beautiful. Look at that. How do I get my car that way? Looking wild. And then we got more cool cars, everyday traffic and whatnot. And the GT86 way over there. Beautiful. Saying that area was super sketchy. Let's walk in. I've been wanting to show this. I've been wanting to see Homegirl's car for the longest and finally get to see it. Yo, check out this Lexus F-Sport. This shit is so clean. Fully sponsored and everything. Now it looks white in the picture, but it's like a lavender pink. I think I'm talking on that. Oh dang, look at the wheels. Oh man. Interior's mint. I'm gonna go find her and see if I can get inside pictures and videos. I think it's real nice. Wherever she is.
My best friend. But we've already chosen.
Nice. I think that's a 335 high, 2-door. I could be wrong. Got the CDs. We got my boys. People over here. Heat everywhere. We make the fun music. If you guys have seen this guy in my last video. Love it. Super clean. Sorry. Beautiful. Liberty Walk. Super. Liberty Rock. Super.
Okay.
More Supras.
Sorry about you guys. I had an event November 16th. Toyo tires.
S15. S15. Yellow spec. With the those T's. Nope, the Volks. With the Volks. Super clean. Right hand drive.
Yeah.
A whole line of GTRs right here. From new to dated.
Yeah. I'm good enough.
Sir, I think you're lost. You're in the wrong line.
It's a super set. How are you, man?
Yeah. Oh, hold on.
This is smaller than
Bright orange. I think that's like a Logitech color, maybe. I could be wrong. Fiber fenders, very nice. I don't know what this is. I want to say it's a Datsun, or maybe a Mazda. I don't know. That doesn't it says copyright on that phone. Let's see what this is. What is this thing? Oh,
Yeah, I got a show November 16th. I'm gonna be interested in check it out.
what do you guys think? Cool car? Dang, I thought it was a penis somehow. I don't know who this guy is, but he got my vote. them bags? What? Who is this guy? Hey, yo. That is beautiful. What's the interior? The interior better than mine. What? That is drift? Where's the owner? Talk to the owner. Yo, how do I not follow you, my guy?
What? What?
Wow, look at this. That's it. BMW, Porsche.
It's actually pretty clean.
Yeah, the headlights are no rust, dude. There's no corrosion in it.
8886. With a nice gold paint. Carbon fiber hood. Sheesh. Beautiful.
It does actually. Well, yeah, you know what you're looking for. Someone that doesn't know, you know what I mean? I would know.
Well, guys, we are gonna wrap it up here. Let me check out. We're gonna check out one more car, and then we out of here. I hope you guys like the content I've been doing so far, posting. And oh, look, a Corvette. Look at this thing. I don't know what this is, but it is wild. Like what? What is this? And we got a whole arrow. It's beautiful though. It's really nice. Like this car's worth a lot probably. It's beautiful. Wild. Anyways, that's it. I'm out of here. Today was a POV day. We're not racing my face in this video. It was just point of view and whatnot. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, please, for whatever else you would like to see. And I'm out. Later.